Hi everyone, welcome, Shelter Monkey here. Today we have the SOG Terminus XR, and this is the variant with the crimson red G10 handles and the D2 blade steel. This video is going to be a quickie because frankly I was very disappointed with this knife, and also I was disappointed for another reason which I'll get into later. So first of all, as this knife came, it was extremely difficult to open with the flipper tab. I looped it up though and it got quite a bit easier. The blade centering is kind of off on this guy. The blade grind is good on one side. On the other side, it's rather uneven. It's wide near the heel of the blade, then it narrows down here in the middle, and then it widens out again right here. So I'm not very happy with the blade grind on one side. But the big issue with this knife is the pocket clip. So if you take a look here, we have this kind of loop over style pocket clip which comes out of the top of the knife and then loops over and goes down. This has a tendency to trap the fabric of my pocket up here above the end of the knife, making it extremely difficult to remove from my pocket. I'm going to insert a clip of me using the pocket clip right now. Okay, so here we have my pocket and the SOG Terminus XR. Sliding the knife into the pocket works well enough. There's no particular issue with that. However, extracting the knife from the pocket is extremely difficult. If you look closely, you can see the fabric becomes bunched up over the top of the knife and trapped in that space. So this is a showstopper for me. Come on. Okay. So this issue with the pocket clip makes the knife pretty much unusable for me. So I'm going to be returning it to where I bought it from. The other reason I'm disappointed is that a lot of channels reviewed this knife, some very popular channels, and they generally gave it very good reviews, and I don't remember them pointing out this huge issue with the pocket clip. So I don't know what's going on with that. So buyer beware. Okay, well I think that wraps it up. If you have any comments, please comment below. And also I'd appreciate it if you could like and subscribe and share. So thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye now.